Hey y'all, so today I'm on my lunch break grabbing some spare boxes from Dollar General. I'm putting them all in this cart and I'm gonna get some more from Harris Teeter tomorrow. I'm trying to get like medium, big boxes. Some of these boxes are not broken down, so I'm not getting those, but these are broken down. I might try to break these down, but I don't know yet because my break is almost over. So I'll catch y'all later. So I think I'll be overdoing it when I get boxes because I'll be getting boxes from 2 different places, and then after I'm done boxing everything up, packing my room and everything, I have so many excess boxes that I have to get rid of. So it is what it is, but let's get it. My bad. They playing The Secret Garden by Quincy Jones. They playing the jams up in this freaking Dollar General. Y'all hear it? I'm over here making a mess. Y'all, so I'm hoping that these fit in my trunk because it's a lot of boxes. Let's see. It's nice outside. So I was able to get it to fit because I have a big trunk. Yay! Okay, so yeah, let's get it. And I made it back to work right on time, right on the dot. You know what I'm saying? Oh, thank you. I can't believe it. I got a fireplace. Wow. That's cool.
Yeah.
Thank
you.
you.
Have a fireplace for Christmas.
Thank you. Hey y'all, so right here I'm about to blow up my blow-up mattress that I just bought. It's a queen size, you know what I'm saying? So your girl tired and she ready to go to bed. I don't even know what time it is, but I sure was ready to go to sleep. Okay, so it was like 11:45 a.m. so it was like 11:41 p.m. but your girl was still tired from all that running errands or whatever I did that day. I don't remember, but it was her first day, my first day in my new apartment, you know, so I'm just ready to lay it down. I was laying there for a hot minute before I got up, but hey y'all, so of course I'm at Walmart and I know I'm overdoing it, but I just moved into my first apartment, so you know, don't mind what I got in my cart. I'm just kidding. So I'm showing y'all what I have. I have too much stuff. I look crazy. But yeah, I'm about to get some food and unpack all this stuff, literally. And yeah, it's a lot. And I went to Target last night, so I already had got some house items, but I didn't get everything I needed, so I had to get everything today because I was tired when I was at Target last night. And then I got to go back to Target because they don't have the broom and dustpan like bundle thing where it comes together. They don't have that here, and they don't have the trash can I want, and they don't even have the trash can I want at Target. So I want the automated one where you put your hand and it just goes up. But anyways, this is my shenanigans. A bunch of house supplies and bathroom supplies and stuff. Like, things are getting smushed. Things are definitely getting smushed. Hey y'all, so this is like the stuff I got. It cost a lot. Okay, you know when you go to the register and you be like, I did not expect it to cost that freaking much. Oh, it cost a freaking lot. But it wasn't that bad. I mean, this stuff that I have, like I got a bunch of stuff that's supposed to last over the year. Like, I mean, of course this would last longer than a year, but literally, like, I bought a bunch of air wicks. Like, I bought like a bunch of these different different smells, and they're like $11 for each one, so that racked up to $100, I'm pretty sure. And don't say I'm crazy for buying a bunch of these, because these gonna last a year. Like, if I bought $100 worth of air wicks, they're gonna last a year. And but yeah, I got my glass appliances and bathroom cleaning supplies, kitchen supplies, and some mashed potatoes, some Idaho mashed potatoes, because like I'm gonna eat that with some corn. And then I had me like, yeah, I'm like, well, then I got this rug and curtain and hooks for the shower. Hey y'all, so I just received my Spectrum internet, so I'm going to put the internet up myself. Like, I'm going to install it myself. So let's see how this goes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, this is interesting. I have a modem and a router. Y'all, I am so excited. Like, I literally not woke up, but I literally went to the door because my mom and aunt were about to leave, and all three of these boxes, that one, and that one, was sitting at my door, and I did not know it was coming today because they said it was going to be shipped next week on the 28th. So I'm just like, okay, it's random because they canceled it and had to do a bunch of stuff to get my couch delivered. So I have a navy blue velvet couch. My mom found it on Home Depot, which was half the price cheaper than the one I originally found on TOV Furniture. So I saved like half my money for a similar couch. Like, literally, it's like identical. But yeah, I'm too excited. And my cousin Daniel is gonna come and put up my TV above my fireplace, and then I'm going to move my blow-up mattress. Yeah, I'm gonna move my blow-up mattress and put my couch right there. I've never seen a couch come in pieces. Like, this is very foreign to me. Yeah, so definitely can't wait to put this together. I'm too excited. My living room is coming together. I'm so happy. So right here, y'all can tell that I am so super excited that I have my first apartment. Like, I'm like, it's... Okay, so this is the same day as what y'all saw earlier, me sweeping and mopping. So right here, these are the legs for my new couch. My couch came in 4 boxes, well, 3 boxes, and so it's in pieces, and my cousin is going to put it together. So I wanted to spray paint these gold to match my color theme for my apartment, since my theme is gold, white, black, navy blue. And so I tried to get a color, because the real gold color that I wanted was out of stock, so that was the only one left, and I wasn't about to pay like expensive like price for a bigger can or go to a different store. So I said this is gonna have to do, which it was a perfect color to blend in with what I had. I mean, it was close enough to blending in. You couldn't really tell that it was off because it was gold anyway. So this is my first time spray painting, so it felt like a project to me, and I was so excited. And I sprayed a lot of layers. So you see I have my gloves, I have the can, I used the box. I'm on my back patio, and so I'm getting ready, and then yeah, I let it dry. It dried in the same day. I forgot how long it took to dry, but it dried the same day, so he was able to put the pieces on, and I had a cute couch later on. obviously y'all can tell that I had fun shaking that can. It must have been the ball inside the can, because I was just shaking it for too long for no reason at all. I guess I was just too excited to do this project because I was doing it by myself. I'm like, okay, I'm about to be a handy woman and do it. And y'all don't mind me looking a little crazy, so don't mind. But you know, when you at home in your comfort zone and you just like wearing whatever you want to wear, and it's just you there. But I mean, obviously I didn't care to show the world how I'm, looking. Don't judge me. Okay, so here's the part where I started spraying, and I sprayed too much because then the paint started running. And my cousin told me that I should have did one coat and let it dry, another coat, let it dry. And the YouTube video I watched did not say that, so whatever YouTube video I watched, they gave me the wrong information. But it still came out good. I just ended up putting the ones that, like, all of them didn't run. I think 2 of them ran, and it wasn't like that bad looking. It just ran to like the bottom of the leg, and I just had him put those in the back of my couch. So even though people are not looking at, oh, let me see your legs, like, oh, they're running paint run on your legs on the couch. Like, ain't nobody doing that. But just because I was being extra, because I did this project, I just was like, yeah, let's just put these, because they're getting screwed in. Let's just screw them in the back permanently. And of course, I was able to fix it a little bit. Like, I was able to wipe some of the paint off, even though it kind of left a little slight smudge. It wasn't that noticeable. Like, and nobody's gonna be like a inspector gadget, Yeah, but I'm just spraying and gonna let it dry. And I just went in the house to do whatever else I had to do. Like, I was just so happy to be in my first apartment alone. Like, this is my first apartment living alone. Like, my other apartment I had prior to this, I was living with someone, but this apartment, I'm alone. So that's why I say this is my first apartment, because why not? It's my first time experiencing it, so hands down, I feel it, that's what it is. And we let it marinate, a little marinating. This is the process.